Nan Karthik, Tamila Karthik. Today in this video, we are going to learn something new about WhatsApp business account. You may think, what is new in WhatsApp business? Recently, I can say yesterday, they have launched a feature in WhatsApp business that we are going to learn in this video. So most of you may be using WhatsApp business. Some of you may be thinking that it may be a paid version, but it is not at all a paid one. You can download it either from Play Store or from iStore, that you can simply install in your mobile. So the advantage is we are having lot of wonderful options which we have in this application called WhatsApp Business. Can anyone post how many of you are having WhatsApp Business account already? Those who are watching the program live, you can post in the chat box that how many of you have already used WhatsApp Business and what is the future which you love most. You can share in the chat box. So this is my mobile screen. Here, let me open my WhatsApp account. So let us go to this 3 dot. Here, click on here and go to settings. In the settings, you will be having the option called business tools. Go to the business tools. In the business tool, you can have business profile, catalog, away message, greetings, quick replay, label, and short. They have launched is we'll see at the end of the video. Now I'll explain you about what is business profile. In business profile, you can add about the business, whatever you are doing. As this is my personal account which I am using for business, as I am a trainer is the one solopreneur. So, and also I am having some other business. So that business also I can have it here. That's we are going to see how to add those details. We have an option called catalog. So I used to train people on social media marketing, and also we used to do things for others business also. So you can see all our process, whatever we are doing one by one. We are selling bulk SMS and all kind of training, whatever we are taking, everything you can add it over here. That is simply very simple process. The whole catalog, if you want to send it to someone else, you can simply click on this top right corner. You are having a emblem called link. Just click over there. You'll be having a window. There, simply copy the text. This text you can able to post to any people where they can simply click here and they can see your catalog. In a single click, they can able to see all your catalog. It is like if you are going for a dinner in a hotel, they'll be giving you a menu card, right? So in that menu card, you'll be having all the food which you want to eat. So if you say I clicked on spoken Hindi, so this course you can give the total description about the course and also the registration link for the particular course. So how can we create this? Very simple. At the top, you have an option like pencil. Just click on the pencil and there you will be having plus. Just press on plus. It will be asking for the image which you want to add, and it will be asking for the item name, and it will be asking for the price and the description. Type everything and just press save. That's all. As simple as that. So once you have added, it will come here. After verification is done by WhatsApp AI automatic team, which is nothing but automation algorithm, they will be accepting your product. If your product or service are not approved by the WhatsApp, like if you are dealing with MLM, multi-level marketing, or if you are dealing with some alcohol things or something, it will not, they'll not be accepting. So that you should be take care. And this is a wonderful option. Just try it out, friends. And we have the second tool. What we have is away message. This away message, as a as a business person, if you are not there to respond them in the WhatsApp, what you should do, you should inform them that when you are available. So if you are sending me any message after 10 p.m. or before 6 a.m. every day, you will be getting this automatic message. Whatever you want to have, you can type it over here. This is what I have customized in my WhatsApp business account. So I can set schedule can be for out of business hours. So this out of business hours, whoever sending message to me, this particular away message will be sending to them. Here recipients, I have select everyone. That will be good. Whoever sending message after my business hours, I can use this particular away option. And we have another option called greetings. In greetings, this will be like if someone is texting you where they are texting you for the first time. So you can welcome them to your WhatsApp messenger, and you can ask them their name and the location. This is how I am maintaining. Whatever you are comfortable, you can type it here. You can customize and you can send them. So whenever some new people texted me, I can even give them my own website where they can know about me. So for greetings also, you can select the recipients. So there, instead of going for everyone, I can go for everyone not in address book. So that whoever not there in my address book will only get this greeting message. So this is about the third option. And fourth, we have wonderful option called quick replay. For example, I have typed this much of replay, around 42 quick replies I have typed here. I can say, can anyone tell me, whoever watching this video, can you post in the comment box that how many quick replay you can have maximum? I actually explore, you can have only 50 quick replay in a WhatsApp messenger. That is the thing I just want to tell you. So here I have, here I have a bank detail. If I type /bank, my bank detail will be going to the particular person. And here I have 8 English SMM. So if you see this particular promotion, here I have a promotion for our social media marketing training program. And here I have the whole data and I have the shortcut. Like by pressing this plus symbol, you can type it over here and you can create it. Once it is created, if you go on select a just open there and select / in / you can type that SMM or 8 English SML, whatever I have created a new things, it will be coming in the pop-up there where you can simply send them. For example, if I want to send them my bank detail, just / and if I type, I can even select anything. So if I want to send them, I can select them and I can easily send the bank detail to the person. This is the concept called quick replay. So whatever you want to have, send them very frequently, where customers. For example, if you are dealing with some other different business like me, like bulk customers, we are dealing, designing we are doing, and social media marketing we are doing a lot of training courses. So for that, if any people are interested, for example, let me take one of my mentee. If she is interested in social media marketing session, I can simply select any of her message and go for the 3 dot over here and just click on label message and click on any labels whichever I want to match here, just save. So this particular person will be reflected in the settings in the set, before the settings you will be having label. In label you can see it was 6, now it is 7. So you can see all the 7 people who are interested in this particular concept. So this is how you can maintain your particular customers. So these are all the customers who inquire for the product. So I can easily reach them for the particular process. So that is the another business tool which you are having. The next one which we are having is short link. So this short link, if I click here and if I copy this particular short link, and whoever having this particular short link, simply by clicking on the link, they can able to text some message to me directly from their account. This is the power of short link. So whenever we are sending an advertisement, we mostly will be having this kind of short link. Whenever they are clicking the short link, they can able to go on to your personal message box. So I'll show you an example. So here I have a short link that phone number auto. So if I click here, this is actually my, and if I can able to send the message directly by clicking on the message. And what we are having is as I have mentioned, this thing about a new feature which they have launched very recently yesterday. Here near to my name we have a QR code. Just share this QR code so to anyone. By simply scanning the code, they can able to reach you in the new option which they have launched yesterday. So just I want everyone who are watching this program, this video, and you can able to scan the QR code of others. Let me say after click on this scan wherever some people are having QR code, and I can able to send them the message. So this is the power of this particular option which we are having in the WhatsApp. So remaining all other option which we are having WhatsApp also, this is the option which we are having in WhatsApp Business, where it will be like B symbol. So friends, hope you enjoyed the video, the program about WhatsApp Business account. If you have any doubts or clarification, you can post in the chat box. You can give your box in the comment box also. I'm eagerly waiting. So if you want to learn something new as a technology, as a concept, you can post in the comment. I'll ready to post live on that particular concept also. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye bye.